Hey everybody, I came out today, do a little bit of metal detecting. Got these beach volleyball courts. I've metal detected them several times. They usually have a little something in them. I thought I'd bring you along with me and we'll see what we can find. It's rainy today, so I'm kind of making a new fashion statement. Shorts with rubber boots, but I don't want to get my tennis shoes ruined today. So let's hit these volleyball courts and we'll see if we can find anything. Hopefully I don't get rained out. 42, 44, 45. Right on the surface. All I've dug so far today is a penny. It's right there. I believe that's a piece of an aluminum can. Got some sand in it. Make sure that's it. Yeah, that was it. $41 to $47, $60. Sounds like foil. It's not real big of a target. Oh, hit something there. That ain't it. The deeper I go, the bigger it gets. Look how white that sand is on the bottom down there. Wait. Kicked it out there. What is it? Cayman Jack. Well, I hope they didn't throw the bottle in here busted up for these girls to step on while they're playing volleyball. And look at that night crawler. That's about 8 or 10 inches long. You're going for a swim in this water. I reckon maybe I ought to put him out in the grass. What do you think? That way he can dig in and he won't drown. These things will drown. There he goes. Too bad I ain't got my bait bucket here. I'd keep him for fishing bait. Come on, buddy. Wake up. He'll either be fine or a bird will catch him. Birds got to eat too. The most promising signal so far. 85 to 89. 89's a little high for a quarter, but the ground is wet. And a quarter it is. 80 to 81, I'm figuring this to be a copper penny. Showing 4 inches deep. Right there. So we'll have to dig this one up. Got enough sand here, it shouldn't be too hard to dig. That's about 4 inches deep. Already got it out. It's in this. It is a dime. Got a dime. Sounds like a quarter. 2 to 4 inches deep. Right there. Oh, it's been in there a while. Look how dark that bad boy is. Can't quite read what quarter it is. It definitely is a quarter. Got mixed high tones here. This showed up as a penny all the way up to a quarter. So I don't know what it is yet. Here it is. It is a penny. And I will take it. Ooh, there's something there. Feels fairly solid. Watch some stinky water. More aluminum can. We got a signal here that's a steady 52, 53, 54. It's close to the surface. I would hope for a gold ring. Be satisfied with a nickel, but more than likely it's going to be a pull tab. It was raked against something there. See if we got it out. It's up in here. Called it. Yeah, it's a pull tab. Well, this was a quick little hunt. It's getting muggy, and I really don't want to sweat that much today. So I'm going to go ahead and call it quits and do a quick little wrap up. Check this out. I found plenty of trash, mostly aluminum. One Cayman Jack bottle lid, more aluminum. I found 2 quarters, a dime, and 2 pennies. I found a tent stake laying out in the lawn. Now this could be from a previous flood, whereas these are the volleyball courts. The creek is in the woods right here. So I decided to go ahead and keep that. The find of the day is this necklace pendant. It says Mom. It says, "So grateful to have you as my mom." I want to thank you for watching this video. If you will, give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Maybe consider subscribing if you haven't, and leave me a comment. Thank you.